this friend from Russia and walking slowly because he have some problem in leg, and I'm waiting him and walk with him slowly. And you see soon sunset will come. Hello friend, namaste, see you later. Now we starting brother for waterfall. This is Rainisui Peak. You see, I will make little zoom. This is Rainisui track, and we planning to go there in maybe 1 week. See, friends is there. Alex, UK. Look. Okay. Now we almost halfway, and UK bhai, how you feel? Perfect. Look, all friends is happy, and one of my friends coming slowly. And Yak, how you feel?
Oh, thank you so much.
See, everybody happy, and we're going real waterfall, man. And look, guys, hello. How you feel, guys? Good, no? And look, sunset. Guys, how you feel? All good? Look, Alex sitting very shanti. Okay, guys. Now we have to still climbing, and by G, this is the really trek for a waterfall. Okay, I will meet next video again. Come on, Yak, you can, my friend, you can. You come from Russia, very strong country, man. Yes, going Himalaya. Yes, say hello for all friend. Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Friend, all good. And this trek we going in 1 week. If any friend want to join, and my number in Facebook, and they can contact me and they can join this trek, this peak called this peak name is Rainisui. And now we are going waterfall, Jugani waterfall. See how clean, all mineral. You can see how nice, and my friends coming, and we going now waterfall. My friend, see, there is danger way also. If you fall down, maybe 500 meter down. And this is Manali Pass. We're going in 1 week. आपको दिखाऊंगा. Now we are near waterfall, and you can see the mountains. Hello guys, I will show you waterfall now. Now we are near waterfall, and you can see there is one. Waterfall. This is waterfall, my friend. Yak! Yak! One friend backside. Yak! All good, come! Now he coming, and now I will show you waterfall, guys. See waterfall. Har Har Mahadev! And Dipu Bhai. Beautiful waterfall, my friend. And the Russian friends coming. And there is UK boy! And now we're going this way, there. And UK boy is there. Namaste, my friend. This is waterfall, and this waterfall name is Jugni Waterfall, and you can see how amazing, my friend. Beautiful. And this is the Rani Sui, Manali Pass. Wow, today really special day, my friend, and there is no any word to say, no, because it's really, how to say, this is really paradise, this is heaven, and better you should give respect and say thank you for these days, and I'm really say thanks for Jugni waterfall.